This much anticipated upgrade to Tooradin Jetty provides better and safer access to the water for boaters, tour operators and anglers. The new All Abilities Access pontoon allows everybody to enjoy the water and provides more room for short-term berthing. The durable construction means that Tooradin Jetty can be used for years to come.
Tooradin Jetty's been an icon for many years. I used it when I was a kid, and there's a lot of kids using it to learn to fish from. It's great to see the young ones using the jetty, and it would have been a shame to see it go. Parks have done a fantastic job with their development of the jetty, keeping the heritage look and along with the modern look with the floating platform, allowing boats to tie up to it, and I'm sure we'll see a lot more people using the jetty for that reason.
You know, the wheelchair access is just beyond comparison. And, you know, people with walking frames and wheelchairs, it was always an issue for us to do so. Look, even for folks to come fishing, just because someone's in a wheelchair doesn't mean they don't like fishing. And to be able to come here and you know, wet a line here is just terrific, you know, for the populations around us. There's absolutely no comparison. It's just a wonderful installation, you know, as a charter operator. We're extremely happy with it.